In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a DNA scene with Blender and Photoshop. Create a cylinder and duplicate it like this. Scale the cylinder in the middle, rotate it, and scale it again on the x-axis. Join the meshes together with Ctrl+J. Add a material. We need to use the Noise Texture node to add some details. Add an array modifier and please match my settings. We need to twist this mesh 720 degrees on the z-axis. Please move the origin to geometry like this. Press Ctrl, Alt and numpad 0 to set up the render camera view. If you don't see anything, adjust the clipping value in the camera settings section. Duplicate the mesh, rotate it and scale it. We need to do the rest of the usual render setup with the Cycles renderer, Filmic, Curves, Denoise and 128 samples. Wait a minute. Why didn't the depth of field work? I'm using the same setting as the previous scene I created before making this tutorial, and the depth of field is not working on this scene. I'll try to move the rest of the meshes back a bit. Still not working. I'll rotate this mesh a bit more. Open the rendered image in Photoshop. I'll show you my previous render that had a perfect depth of field. We can create the blur in Photoshop easily. Let's isolate the main mesh by using the polygonal lasso tool, cut and paste to a new layer. Select the original layer, press Ctrl+A to select all and apply the blur more filter multiple times. Create a new layer and fill it with any gradient colors. I'll use this matching blue gradient, but you can use any other gradients. Create a new layer and fill it with any colors. Apply the different clouds filter and set the layer blend mode to multiply. Combine the background layers. We need to add the dust and scratches noise. Apply the filter until you can see the random spots on the image. This is the end of the DNA tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.